Chapter 5 Introduction to MS Windows. Contents in this chapter: Operating System, Windows 10 Desktop, Starting a Program, Resizing a Window, Characteristics of Windows, Starting Windows, Components of Windows, Moving a Window. Operating System. A computer has a special set of software instructions which manages all the hardware and software applications and overall functionality of a computer. This is called an operating system. A computer cannot run without an operating system. Characteristics of Windows. Windows can be a single-user or multi-user operating system. It provides Graphical User Interface (GUI). Windows provides the "what you see is what you get" WYSIWYG environment. It means what you see on the monitor, it will appear in the same way when you print it on paper. Windows 10 is the latest operating system. There are many versions of Windows such as Windows 2000, Windows ME, Windows XP, Windows 7, Windows 8 and Windows 10. Now you are working in Windows 10. Starting Windows. When you switch on the computer, you will see the welcome screen of Windows 10 automatically. Desktop. A desktop is the first screen that appears on the monitor when we switch on our computer. Describe is an area or window on a computer screen in which small pictures called icons are arranged like objects on top of a desk. For example, a drawing table might probably have some drawing tools like pencils, crayons, watercolor, brushes, palettes, etc. Similarly, a computer desktop contains a list of items that help us to work with Microsoft Windows efficiently. Desktop contains desktop backgrounds, icons, shortcuts, folders, and taskbar. Desktop background. The background picture of a desktop called desktop background. It is also known as the wallpaper of a computer. You can set any image on the computer as wallpaper icons. Icons are small pictures which represent a particular application program, files, folders, or shortcuts. When you click on it, it gets selected, and when you double-click on it, the application program opens. Certain icons are permanent fixture on the desktop. Folders. A folder is an object which contains other files and folders. You can create a file or folder within a folder. When you double-click on it to open it, you can see the various files and other folders in it. Taskbar. It is the long horizontal strip from left to right at the bottom of the desktop. It contains the start button and a clock. When you open any application or program, you can see its tab present at the taskbar. At the right side, you can see small icons like OneDrive, battery indication, internet access icon, volume, notification icon, and date and time. Starting a program. To open a program, say Notepad, follow the given steps. Step 1. Go to Start All Apps, Windows Accessories, Notepad. Step 2. A Notepad window opens up. You can access the various programs by navigating through the Start button. Components of a window. 1. Title bar. The title bar is a horizontal bar located at the top of a window. It contains the title. You can see 3 buttons on the right. A. Minimize button. B. Maximize button. C. Close button. 2. Menu bar. A menu bar is a thin horizontal bar containing the labels of drop-down menus like File, Edit, Format, View, and Help. When a particular menu is clicked, a drop-down list opens up. Here we can select any option according to the requirements. 3. Work area. This is the blank white area where you work and type. Quick tip. You can easily identify the opened program just by seeing a bar below the icon of the program. Resizing a window. Resizing a window can be useful in many situations. It means to change the size of the window. As discussed in the previous section, there are 3 control buttons on the right side of the title bar. It includes Minimize, Maximize and Close button. A. Click on the Minimize button of a window. B. The Maximize button changes to Restore button and the window will become larger in size. C. To make the size of the window small again, click on the Restore button. Another method. When you move the cursor to the edge or corner of the window, a pointer changes to double-sided arrow. Click and hold the left mouse button and move the mouse to resize the window. Moving a window. To move the window from one location of the desktop to another, follow the given steps. 1. Click on the title bar of the window by pressing left mouse button. 2. Hold the button. 3. When you move the mouse, the window moves with it. 4. To drop the window, release the mouse button. Quick tip. Press Window logo key plus D on the keyboard to show the computer desktop. Summary. Points. A computer cannot run without an operating system. Operating system works as an interface between the user and computer hardware. Microsoft launched Windows 10, which was the latest Windows operating system of this time. On starting the computer, the first screen that appears is called a desktop screen. Icons are small pictures which represents a particular application program. A folder is an object which contains other folders and files. Taskbar is located at the bottom of the screen. Resizing a window means to change the size of the window.